Hey, welcome back to Fritz Hoppy on YouTube. I'm going to make this really quick, but I have really big news for all of you. I know it's been like a year now, but things are out of my control. Next week, I am finally able to upload those videos on sculpting drapery, which is how to sculpt clothing in clay, and I'll show you all kinds of tricks. These are all sorts of secrets and things I've developed for myself sculpting that I haven't shared with anyone else ever. I really appreciate everyone's support. I appreciate all of you who have been purchasing the clay and products that I've been promoting on some of my previous channels. That really helps me support what I do here because this takes a lot of my time. So I just want to thank all of you for that and thank all of you for subscribing. Hit that bell notification symbol at least for the next week. If it annoys you, you can always turn it off. But I want you all to watch those videos on sculpting drapery. They will be out next week unless something changes, but it looks like everything's going as planned. Little side note, I showed you guys a 4,000-year-old prehistoric bison skull. This is what a modern bison skull looks like, and as you can see, it's a pretty big skull. It's quite heavy. But actually, I think that 4,000-year-old skull is bigger than this, or at least that bison was, and the horns are kind of going out at a wider angle. So just thought that was something interesting to show you. The life-size woman sculpture is finished in bronze, and she is over behind me, but I can't show her until she's installed because that's just being courteous to the people who commissioned the project. It was a project that my father and I sculpted together. But you're going to see all kinds of footage of what I did, which was sculpting the dress and clothing on her. So that's it for now. Wish you all a happy Independence Day. It's actually 4th of July right now. I'm doing this video before going to see some friends. So hit the like button and subscribe. I want all of you to be ready for those videos coming out next week. Hit that notification bell icon next to the subscribe button for my channel. That's it for today though. Thanks for watching. I will see you all next time.